from the title, you can obviously see what I'm going to try do. And I'm going to try build whatever I can, maybe a few things with this pile and what I have here. So there's some doors, there's windows, there's car wheels, etc. A whole bunch of stuff, but I can only build things that are in this pile. So yeah, I'm going to see how this turns out, and I'll try to do my best. And yeah, this is a different video. It's not really stop motion right now, but I do have some stop motions in the making, so don't worry about that. I'm just really bored right now and don't really know what to do, so I just decided to set this challenge ahead for me, and yeah, see and show you guys what I will make.
This is the roofless house, and it's perfect if you like rain. Don't you just love rain? It also has a nice bed and a comfy chair to sit on, and this cool red ottoman thingy. Don't worry, we have plenty more.
Now with the roofless house build out of the way, let's move on. There.
If you want to flex on the roads, this is the way to go.
So, now, with the gangster car out of the way, I have got barely anything here, to be honest. Well, I do have quite a bit, but, I mean, don't really have any idea what I'm going to build. But I'll try and build something, I think. Yeah, I'll try. I'll have a go. So this is the laser wall. Whoever touches it will be gone. They'll be out of it. Okay, so we got this thing. Don't even know why I made that. We got this other thing. Don't know why I made that. But it's better than this really weird thing. And then we got the roofless house. And I didn't make the roof because I didn't have enough materials to make a roof. It's a roofless house. It's genius. This is what I made. A laser wall, which is pretty retarded. Had no idea why I made that. But yeah, it is building on a limit, so I just built something very random here. This is the gangster car. Yeah, it's nothing really to show, to be honest. And here's the roofless house, because I didn't have a roof, as I said before. But yeah, it's got some interior as well, so that's cool, I guess. And this is everything that is left over, all these pieces. They're mainly just small pieces, and duplicated pieces are the same. I like these red crystals, but I got heaps of them. And fire pieces, and plenty more. So, that's what I built, because I had no idea what else to build apart from these three things. I wasn't going to build this, but I thought, I might as well go for a third. And I just quickly thought up of that, and yeah, it's pretty weird, but yeah, that is building on a limit.